But all this down here is just straw?
Yes. What he has in his hand is put on top of each other and going out, and then they have some long nails that they go across with around it, so that it binds to the next one.
Oh, there he's got some kind of a tool. He's tamping it down.
Uh-huh. And then that's wood at the top that they put over.
That is just to keep it together, and you can see that is not as nice as the other.
Uh-huh.
So they use helm, what they have normally cut off to top it off.
Are we causing traffic problems?
Yes.
All right, then